What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we have some chafing dishes in the house. These are from Vevor, and what I think is really interesting about these is their roll top. So no worry about the top being set down on your linens by your guests. They don't have to do that anymore. So join me. We're going to take our first look at these chafing dishes and check them out. I think you're going to really like them. So I know you're like, Amy, what's up with these big, huge boxes, right? I just want to take this opportunity to thank Vevor for sending these. I love to use chafing dishes. They're like one of my favorite things. If you are hosting an event this summer, if you're hosting a get-together, or you're just doing it for your family, chafing dishes are great because it allows you to keep your food hot or cold, depending on how you set your chafing dish up. What's great about these chafing dishes, like I said, is their roll top. So gone are those days where you have this food encrusted lid and nowhere to set it while people are serving themselves. These are roll top. They have windows. You can see inside. Your guests can look inside, roll it up, take the food and roll it back down to ensure it stays warm. I'm looking forward to trying these out. So we're going to unbox them today and take our first look. So let's see. I think this is the rectangle and I think these are the round. So it comes, whoa, the round comes in a 2 set and the rectangle comes in a 1 set. And these boxes are absolutely gigantic. Look at this. And my mail person delivered them when it was raining outside, so the box got a little wet, but it shouldn't hurt this thing in here. Whoa. So this is going to be fun. So I want to thank you, Vevor, for sending these. I'm going to put links down to both the rectangle and this down in the description if you want to take a look at it. Here's your manual for setting them up and shows you how to put you're going to put these little canisters in there. I'll show you how you do that to keep food warm. Whoa! So in the past, I had the traditional kind of chafing dish with the lid that comes off with nothing to hold the lid. So these are your little cans that hold your fuel. And I'll show you what kind of fuel we're going to use. This is a handle, whoa, really nice, for your roll top. Whoa!
You need some assistance?
Whoa! This is major! This is major. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh. This thing is major. If you want something serious to serve your food out of at your next gathering, this is it. This will wow your guests. Okay, so here's our full pan. This pan holds your hot water or your ice. You can put ice in here or hot water. And these half pans are gonna go in here. You can put 2 dishes in this. You can actually just make your dish in here and put this in the oven. I'm gonna bake some chicken in one, and then I'm going to bake some potatoes and onions in this one, and we're gonna have us a little party. Yeah, so to set these up, you can go ice and go chilled, or you can go hot water and go hot. We're going to put our Sterno cannons in here in case you want it hot. So this screws on the lid. I'm going to go ahead and do that and we'll be right back. So we put the handle on. These are really cool. Can I do it from back here?
You need to be on the side, boo-boo.
So there's a window for you to see what's in there so you don't have your gas constantly lifting the lid to let the heat out. And here's your roll top. Oh. I like it, So here you'll have your full pan, and that'll hold your liquid. So when you use these, you put hot water in there, and then you run the Sterno underneath. Food pans. Whoa. Sterno, one for each side. And they also give you a little set of tongs to get your food out. Oh, these are cool. And then we'll close the lid. Wow, not easy for me to do backwards. So let me move this into the dining room and we will unbox the round ones. Okay, so let's try out the round ones. That was major. It's beautiful. Perfect if you're having a family reunion this summer. Be awesome.
You know how much mac and cheese you can get?
Oh my gosh, mac and cheese for days. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! 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 So here's our thing for the fuel. Here's the handle. Here's this is for your heat source or your cold source. Whoa! Here's for your food pan. Whoa! Beautiful. Let me put this on. Okay, so here we go with a round one. We're gonna put this into there. And this is how the roll top works. This is really nice. Really nice. So let me get the other one out of the box and I'll meet you in the dining room. This seems like it didn't have any feet with it. I didn't find the feet in the box. So I got these feet from my local big box store and I put them down here. So here is the chafing dish. This is the round one. There's the other round one. I'll put links in the description to these. These are pretty cool. So here is the rectangle and it has the two pans here. So stay tuned. We're going to set these up. I'm going to cook a chicken dinner. We're going to do a hot chafer and a cold chafer and set us up and see how these things are going to work. So links are down in the description for these chafers. Thank you, Vevor. These things are pretty cool. Yeah, those chafers are really cool. So I'm going to be setting up a chicken dinner. We're going to try these chafers out and see how they are. Again, thank you, Vevor. I'm looking forward to using these and links will be down in the description to these chafers.